Hey everyone! Imagine this, a scruffy street dog in India surviving on scraps, no home, no one to love him, until one day he decides to follow a group of Buddhist monks on a quiet walk for peace. He never leaves their side again. That dog's name is Aloka, and today, this little guy from the streets of India is walking across America, spreading love and kindness, one paw step at a time. His story is going viral for all the right reasons, and trust me, by the end of this, you're going to want to hug every dog you see. Let's dive in. Back in 2022, in India, a group of Buddhist monks led by Venerable Bhikkhu Panakara began a 112-day peace walk, hundreds of miles promoting compassion, nonviolence, and loving kindness. They didn't expect a companion, but one stray dog, thin, wary, typical Indian pariah dog, started trailing them. Day after day, he kept pace. He didn't beg aggressively, he just walked, quietly, peacefully. The monks named him Aloka. In Pali, the language of ancient Buddhist texts, Aloka means light, and this dog became exactly that, a little light walking beside them. Aloka chose them. He chose peace over survival on the streets alone. For the rest of that journey, he was by their side, through heat, through rain, through long, silent miles. When the walk ended, the monks couldn't leave him behind. They brought him into their care, got him healthy, vaccinated, loved. Fast forward to 2025-2026, those same monks launched an even bigger mission, a 2,300-mile walk for peace across the United States from coast to coast, spreading the same message of compassion in a world that feels pretty divided right now. And guess who's right there with them, trotting along in his little vest or scarf, tail wagging? Aloka, the Peace Dog. People line the roads in Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, everywhere they go. They stop traffic just to take pictures. Kids run up to pet him, news crews follow, social media explodes. Why? Because in a time when we're all scrolling through anger and arguments, here's this dog, rescued from the streets, who's literally walking for peace. No agenda, just pure, innocent goodness. But the journey hasn't been easy. During the walk, Aloka got injured, an old injury flared up, and he needed serious knee surgery. The monks had to pause. They rushed him to a specialty vet hospital in Charleston, South Carolina. Everyone worried. Would he recover? Would he walk again? But Aloka, he's tough. Just 9 days after surgery, he was already healing faster than expected. Spirit strong, tail still going. The vets, the monks, even strangers online were cheering him on. And soon he was reunited with his monk family in Charlotte, ready to keep walking. Think about that for a second. A dog who once had nothing now has thousands of people rooting for him. From stray to symbol, from India's streets to America's highways, Aloka reminds us that peace isn't complicated. It's showing up. It's choosing kindness even when life is hard. It's loyalty without expecting anything back. So, what can we learn from Aloka the Peace Dog? Maybe it's time we all slow down, take a walk, literally or figuratively, and choose peace in our own lives. Smile at a stranger, help someone in need, adopt or foster if you can, or just spread a little more love online instead of hate. If this story touched you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs a dose of hope, and drop red heart in the comments. Follow along with Aloka's journey. His official Instagram is @Aloka the Peace Dog.